What if fireworks were replaced by thousands of intelligent flying robots? Imagine looking into the night sky and seeing 2,500 synchronized drones creating giant, animated masterpieces. That's exactly what happened during America's historic 250th birthday celebration, where technology transformed the sky into a breathtaking digital canvas. For generations, fireworks have symbolized Independence Day. But this time, engineers introduced something extraordinary. Instead of explosive shells, 2,500 drones rose into the air, each acting like a single glowing pixel. Together, they formed incredible images that stretched across the night sky. As the show began, the drones created giant patriotic symbols, including a waving American flag, soaring bald eagle, sparkling stars, and a glowing 250 to honor the nation's milestone anniversary. Every formation smoothly transformed into the next, creating a spectacular story told entirely through light. Behind this incredible performance were months of planning. Every drone followed its own programmed flight path, using advanced navigation and precise timing to fly safely without collisions. Powerful computers coordinated thousands of movements every second, making the drones behave like one enormous, flying machine. Unlike traditional fireworks, drone shows can tell complete stories. They can create moving animations, historical symbols, and custom designs while delivering a stunning visual experience. As drone technology continues to improve, these aerial displays are becoming larger, smarter, and even more spectacular. The America 250 celebration wasn't just a record-breaking drone show. It was a glimpse into the future of entertainment. It proved that innovation and creativity can transform the night sky into a living work of art. As technology advances, future celebrations may feature even bigger drone fleets with more detailed animations and immersive storytelling. One thing is certain: the sky is no longer just a place for fireworks. It's becoming the world's largest digital canvas. If you enjoyed this incredible journey into the future of drone technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what would you create if you had 2,500 drones lighting up the sky?